Hello guys, welcome to Crack a Bank YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about 3 miscellaneous quant questions. Okay, by doing so you can crack any prelims exam easily. Please make a habit of doing these miscellaneous quant questions every day. These 3 questions will definitely change the result of your upcoming prelims exams. You will definitely see the positive results, guys. Right, let's go into the questions. Okay, you see this is profit and loss question. Profit and loss is the concept of this question, right? Let's see the question. Anshu marked an article at 25% more than the cost price and she gave a 10% discount to a customer. Find the selling price of an article if it costs 5,000 rupees. Okay, you see this. Let us take cost price is 100x. Okay, take cost price is 100x and he is saying Anshu marked an article at 25% more than the cost price. That means marked price is 25% more than 100 means it's 125x is the market price, right? And she is saying and she gave a 10% discount to a customer. Okay, you all have to memorize this. We can only give the discount should be given only on market price, not on the cost price. Okay, after giving the discount on market price we obtain selling price. Okay, I am saying it again, we have to give the discount only on the market price and after giving the discount on the market price the obtained value becomes the selling price, right? Okay, here you see she gave a 10% discount to a customer. That means selling price should be this 125x there, no? For this 10% discount is given and the remaining percent is selling price. That means for 125x, what is 10%? 10% means by 100 into 10 becomes 10%. So 12.5x is the discount. Okay, for this market price 125x, 10% discount, that means 12.5x is eliminated from this and the remaining should be the selling price. So in the place of 125 you eliminate 12.5. what should you get? You should get 112.5x. okay, if you take 125 minus 12.5 you got 112.5. so the selling price should be 112.5. And what is he saying? Find the selling price of an article if it costs 5,000 rupees. That means we already take no cost price is 100x. If cost price is 5,000, 100x becomes 5,000. Then what is the selling price he is asking? That means 112.5x is how much he is asking. For this case, cross multiplication. Suppose okay, this is selling price SP. So if you cross multiply SP equals to 5,000 into 112.5 by 100. Here x and these two are cancelled there, right? And 100s cancel now here. So 50 into 112.5. Take this 112.5 means 1125 into 5 you take because the point is gone. Because 50 means 5 into 10 no. 10 into 112.5 it becomes 1125. So 1125 into 5 it is 25, 12, 6, 5625. So the selling price should be 5625. Okay, you get the concept? Okay, I will say to you again in a easy manner. Okay, again please listen guys. Right. Okay, here he is saying Anshu marked an article at 25% more profit, 25% more than the cost price. Let us take cost price is 100x, then market price becomes 125x because this is 25% more. And next selling price, he is saying she gave 10% discount to a customer. That means in 125x 10% is removed, so the remaining is 112.5x. and he is saying find the selling price of the article if it costs 5,000 rupees. That means if cost price 100x becomes 5,000, then what the selling price becomes? That means 112.5x becomes how much? For that you have to do is, what you have to do, you have to do 5000, you have to take this 2. Okay, so 50 into 112.5, that becomes 5625. That is the answer, guys. Okay, 5625. Now we have to calculate it. I have to calculate it again. 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10, 12, 5 1 is 5 6, 5625. So the selling price becomes how much? 5625, right? Right. Let's go to the next question. Yeah, see this. What is this question about? This is time and work concept. Okay. Okay, through these videos I'm going to complete the basics and how a question appears on each and every topic in the upcoming exams. So please follow it carefully, guys, so that you can crack any prelims exam easily, right? Let's go into the question. Right, see, A, B and C can complete a work in 12, 20 and 15 days respectively. A and B started the work and worked for 5 days. Find the time taken by C to complete the remaining work. It's a very easy question, guys. Take this like this. A, B and C. A completed work in 12 days. B completed in 20 days. C completed in 15 days. These are days, okay? What are these? These are days. Let's calculate the total work. So, the total work, for the total work, take LCM of 12, 20 and 15. Take LCM of 12, 20 and 15 is 60. That means 12 5s are 60, 20 3s are 60, 15 4s are 60. So how you can say this is 5 units of work A can do in a day, 5 units per day, and B can do 3 units per day, and C can do 4 units per day. Okay. You can ask how, sir, how you can say that 60 units is the work. He is saying no. A take 12 days. That means if you take 5 units per day, 5 into 12, that means 5 days, 5 units per day, and there are 12 days. 5 12s, it is 60. Total work is done. And 20 here, B is 12, B is 20, and he is taking 3 days. That means you have to calculate just 12 5s are 60. Which number multiplication becomes 60 for the 12, 20 and 15 here? For 20 it should be 3, 23 60, and for 15 it should be 4, 15 4 60. In this way, B 20 days 23 60, and in C 15 days 15 4 60. So in this way, what you can say? You can say for A 5 units per day, B 3 units per day, C 4 units per day. Right. Next, he is saying A and B started the work and worked for 5 days. Let's take this. For 5 days, A and B together worked. That means in a day, how much A can work? 5 units. And how much B can work? 3 units. For 5 days. That means A and B together can complete 8 units per day. 5 plus 3. And for 5 days, 5 into 8, it is 40. And the remaining work is, by eliminating 40 from 60, the remaining is 20 units. And he is saying, find the time taken by C to complete the remaining work. That means only C is working for the remaining work. And for C, per day it should be 4 units. So to complete 20 units of work, by doing 4 units per day, it should be 5 days. So the remaining time C took to complete the remaining work is 5 days. 5 4s are 20 now. Okay, you get it, man? Right. Okay, I want to say the concept again so that you can easily get it. He is saying A, B and C can complete a work in 12, 20 and 15 days, no? So A, B, C, 12 days, 20 days and 15 days. LCM of these 3 numbers is 60. So 12 560, 20 360, 15 460. That means A can do 5 units per day, B can do 3 units per day, C can do 4 units per day. And he is saying A and B started the work and worked for 5 days. That means for 5 days A and B together worked. What is A and B? A and B means 5 units and 3 units. So total 8 units per day. A and B together worked for a day. A and B together worked for in a day. A and B together complete 8 units. So 5 8s 40, and the remaining is 20. And this 20 is done by only C. Find the time taken by C to complete the remaining work. That means C only complete the remaining 20 units. So that means X days into per day C is 4. So X days into 4 it becomes 20. So 4 5. So X days means 5 days. So answer is 5. Okay. I think you got the concept correctly. Right. Let's go to the next question. Right. This is the concept of speed, time and distance. Right, speed, time and distance. Right, let's see this. He's saying the length of a train is 250 meters and a platform is 200 meters. If a train crosses a platform in 30 seconds, how much time it will cross a man who is running in the same direction with 18 kilometers per hour speed? Firstly, speed is equals to distance by time. Okay, you have to memorize this equation. This is the only concept we get in the speed, time and distance. Right, speed equal to distance by time. Okay, let's go to the question. The length of a train is 250 meters. He's saying S equal to D by T, no? There is a platform. Let's take this. This is a platform of 200 meters. And there is a train here. This is a train of 250 meters. He is saying if a train crosses that platform in 30 seconds, that means this train starting from here, it goes towards it and the final position should be like this. That means train cleared 200 meters plus its length 250 meters. Okay, total 200 plus 250, that is 450 meters train crossed. Okay, the total distance should be 450 meters. So as we know that speed equals to distance by time. Here the distance is 450, 200 plus 250, and he already gave 30 seconds. If we have you should definitely see this. Here the units are seconds, so you should check whether it is meters or kilometers. If it is kilometers, try to change it into meters. Here already it is meters, so because speed should be either meters per second or kilometers per hour. Okay, so here 450 meters plus seconds, how much it take in 30 seconds, it completes this 400 meters, 450 meters. So this is 15. So speed of the train is 15 meters per second. Right, speed of the train is 15 meters per second. What is he asking? How much time it will take to cross a man who is running in the same direction with 18 kilometers per hour speed? That means this train is there now, this 250 meters train, right? And there is this man. This man is running in the same direction along with the train. And what is his speed? His speed should be 18 kilometers per hour. You have to change this into meters per second because the speed is here meters per second. For changing kilometers per hour to meters per second, you have to multiply 5 by 18 to kilometers per hour. So for 18 kilometers per hour, to change it into meters per second, 18 into 5 by 18. So 5 meters per second we got. So the speed of man is 5 meters per second. And he's asking what is the time it will take for the train to cross that man who is in the same direction with 18 kilometers per hour speed. So for doing this, what should we have to do? What should we need to get? The distance should be the train in the starting place here, in the ending. When the train, when we can say that the train has crossed that man, when the tail part of the train crossed him, this is the tail part and this is the head part. When the tail part crossed him, that is the position, that is the time when the train crossed that man. Okay, so in this here, the 250 meters only we have to take, because the length of the train is the only distance. So take speed equal to distance by time, and the distance is 250 meters. And we have to calculate time. If S equal to D by T, then T equal to D by S. No, that way T equals to 250 by S. What is the speed? Here speed of train is 15 meters per second, and the speed of man is 5 meters per second, and he is going in the same direction. That is, if train goes from here this place to this place, in that time this man also displaces some position now when he is going the same direction. So you have to minus the speed of man from the speed of train. Okay, you please remember this concept. If both are running in the same direction, the speed should be difference between them, and if both are running in the opposite direction, the speed should be addition between them. Okay, that is means plus. Here both are running in the opposite direction, so what you have to take, 15 minus, okay, here speed, time equal to distance by speed. Now 15 minus, what is the speed of the man? 5 meters per second. So 15 minus 5, it is 10, so 25. So what it becomes? It becomes right, it becomes, the time is 25 seconds. Okay, I am saying it again, guys, so that you can get it. Okay, we know speed equals to distance by time, and here saying the length of the train is 250 meters and the platform is 200 meters if the train crosses platform in 30 seconds. That means here speed, we have to calculate the speed of the train, because the distance and the time is given. What is the distance? 250 meters of train length and platform length 200 meters. Okay, and the time is 30 seconds. This becomes 450 by 30. That means 15 meters per second is the speed of the train. And he is asking how much time it will take for the train to cross a man who is running in the same direction with 18 kilometers per hour speed. Firstly, you have to change this 18 kilometers per hour into meters per second. So 18 into, you have to multiply it with 5 by 18. So take 18 and 18 cancel, and 5 meters per second. So 5 meters per second is the speed of the man. So, and both are running in the same direction. So as speed equals to distance by time, time equals to distance by speed. So we have to calculate time. So time equal to distance. What is the distance? Here only the train length is the distance. So 250 meters, because there is no platform mentioned there. So 250 meters, train length 250 by speed. When they are going the same direction, the speed should be difference between them, and when they are going in the opposite direction, the speed should be addition between them. And here they are going in the same direction, so speed should be difference between them. That means 15 minus 5, it is 10. So 10 means you have to calculate this. So t equal to 250 by 10, that means 25 seconds is the time required for the train to cross that man. Okay, 25 seconds. This is the answer, guys. Okay, I think you got the 3 concepts correctly. Okay, thank you, guys. Let's meet in the next session. All the best for your upcoming exams. Thank you.